Okay, here it is, Powder's Wind-Up Monkey. I bought this months ago, probably around Christmas, and I just got it yesterday. I'm doing this in my room right now because the rest of the family's asleep in other parts of the house, so I'm doing this alone in my room at 8 in the morning. Alright, let's look at the box. So that's the very front. Here's one of the sides. I hope that's focusing well. Here's the back. And the other side. And you can tell that's Silco. Alright, back to the front again. By the way, that's my cat. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the cover and we'll look at that next. Okay, I removed the cover. This is what the box looks like underneath. This is the side that was under the monkey face on the front. Alright. Okay, this is the side. Some of these drawings are a little disturbing. There's an angel poro for some reason. Looks like people getting blown up. Wonder why the poro has angel wings like that. Wonder if they're foreshadowing anything with any of these images. It's clearly a shark. The V, I'm guessing, symbolizes either Vi or maybe Vander. I'm guessing Vander. Alright, and back to the front. Alright, next I'm gonna go ahead and open the box itself and we'll see the monkey inside. Okay, here's the very top of the box. The bottom is just blank, if you're wondering. It's a little hard to open. Alright, and depreciate. This little poro with hearts. She must like poros. And the monkey. Oh, that's the bridge to Piltover. Very cool. By the way, the box said this monkey was number 29 out of 163. It's pretty cool. It says, let's see the back. Oh, it's a little postcard. Certificate of Authenticity, limited edition statue. Very cool. Very cool. Set that aside. Alright, wind-up monkey, front. In the back. Oh, oops. Here's what the inside of the little booklet looks like. Put them on the base. Okay. I got something cool here. Not sure what it is exactly. Maybe a sticker. I'm going to open it up and see. Okay, so I opened the packaging. These are stickers, indeed. So there's one. There's another one. There's the one she draws in the show a lot. So I removed the styrofoam box. As you can see, it says Arcane League of Legends on it. Very cool. I can honestly say I don't think I've ever seen a styrofoam box with the wording on it like that. That's interesting. Okay, so I don't think I'll need a knife or scissors for this. I'm just going to peel the tape off. By the way, I've never done an unboxing video before, so if I'm doing kind of a bad job, I am sorry. the tape off. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to lay this on its back, just in case the monkey falls out. Wow, that's all I can say is wow. Look at that. That is so cool. It is so frightening, just like in the show. Dang. The video really doesn't do it justice. It looks really good. I can't wait to take it out of the packaging and use it. So this is really cool. It came with a set of coasters. It says the last drop, like in the show. I'm gonna open that up. This is really cool. They all say the last drop. You can see they're all different. If I'm going too fast, go ahead and just pause on each image. Right, and they're all two-sided. I like that one. Very cool. And I like how they all pretty much have coffee ring stains on them. That's pretty funny. Okay, now to unwrap the wind-up monkey itself. I'm going to start with the base. That's what that looks like. Alright, I've unwrapped the base, as you can tell. It's very cool. Very nice design. So much detail. I love all the little details they put in. Right, there's where it plugs in at. And then the very bottom looks like that. Okay, I've started unwrapping the monkey. I'm going to go ahead and finish that now. Alright, there we have it, the monkey. Very cool. I love it. I love how the symbols actually look like metal. The whole thing's actually made of plastic. But here, let's turn it around. Okay, well it fell when I turned it, so I'm just going to hold it in place. Okay. It's kind of like magnetized to the base there. And yeah, I know it's off center. Alright, but there's the back, and I'll turn it some more. Oh, sorry. It's all squeaky. And there's the side, the other side. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's out of focus. Okay. Nope. I don't know why it's not focusing right. But yeah, I have no idea what that is. Yeah, very menacing, like in the show. I love it. Okay. Right, next I'm going to try plugging it in, and we'll see what it looks like then. Because I know this thing lights up, and you can wind it, and it moves like in the show. I can't wait to see it. Alright, there it is. All lit up. It's charging right now. Wow. That is so cool. Its eyes are actually a lot redder in real life, and the blue is bluer. But, yeah, wow. It is so cool. I love this. This is one of the coolest things I own by far. Here's what it looks like in the dark. Very, very creepy. I think I'll end the video here. I'm going to let it charge, and at some point I'm going to make a video where I actually wind it up and yeah, watch it walk and clap at cymbals and all that cool stuff. Yeah, that'll be a separate video. Not sure when it'll get made exactly, but it will happen. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. This was a lot of fun. Yeah, and just have a great day, and God bless.